Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And now in this video I tell you about how can you add more languages in your Alexa skill. Okay, so just open your Alexa developer console and it just look like that, and you have just an Alexa skill, and here you can see that we have only one language, just like English US. Okay, now I open it. Okay, now we want to add more languages, so please uh, see there, and here you can add more language, and just like four English languages like AU, like CA, like India, and like UK. So if we want to add more all four, so we can add it like CA, like India, like UK. So now we also can add all these, but uh, these all require at we need a translation of Inuit's name and also the addresses. So I'm just only to tell you about only English, and I make another video for just explaining and using the code or uh, idea about how can you make a language for Francis, German, Italian, and Spanish, etc. languages. Now for that only we have used 5 languages. Now save it. Now after you okay, now you need to, now you can see that you're in this US, and here you just see other languages like English. Here you can see that you need to choosing a model. So just we only want to create a sketch, so we just choose from sketch, and just now return, just like that. For now we know that we have same in English, and so we can directly copy paste, make a copy paste for our other languages like English, for various countries like CA and India and others. Okay, so now for that open again CA and US. Okay, now copy just like copy these all things, because you have English only. So now just CA. Okay, okay, now just delete all and just paste here. Now save and build model. That's it. Again open just like India, and choose from sketch, because we just want to make a same analysis skill. So yes, and again just save, and again we can build again AU. So doing same, just like, and copy and paste, build. Now again UK, And the most important thing is you also can add lots more utterances here for better uh, engagement and for better punctuation of your Alexa skill, for better running of your Alexa skill. So you can also add here lots more uh, utterances, but I think it's better for it because we make it true again, just like so. Save and just build. And okay, after doing all, you also need to configure your AWS Lambda function, where your backend of your Alexa skill is exist. So for that you also can need to signing in AWS console. Okay, now you can see here, and our function is just like I think this one. For okay, you can see our previous video for knowing about it. How can we make a trivia skill? So this is for now. We need to add in more arrays just like that. We have already for England, for GB, and for US. Now we need to adding the same type of things just like so. You just need to copy all things just like that, and just like paste and like that same. And now need to copy and again. Okay, now you need to again make a copy and okay, just like, and we want to make it for just like India, for Canada, for AU. Okay, now we need to copy. So here you can, I just only tell you something about it, and you just need to make your own code here, just like it's your idea basis and what type of quizzes you want to explore to the world with your Alexa skill. So you need to put your own code. I'm just only tell you how can the procedure you can apply here. So for that, just like the code, okay, just copy I think I do lots more. Okay, just copy there like that. Okay, so it's ready to go. And here you don't need any coding knowledge, you just need to change all the things, just like you can see here, change to your own question answers just like. And the most important thing is always keep the answer of your question on first place, just like that. You can see this first place. Okay, every question first place answer. Okay, because if you cannot involve it at first place, then it's give user a wrong answer. So always keep on first place. Then after doing all things, you need to go, okay, save it. Now you need to visiting the indexes file. Okay, now here you also need to change some, and the simple changes you need to do there. Just make any one, just like copy, and just like again copy, and just like again, because we need 3 languages more. So here just change and just AU and Australia and just CA. Okay, and just uh, India. Okay, now here you also need to change this one here for India, for Indian array require, for CA require, and for AU require. Okay, now after all, you can also change here the name of your skill and what type of Alexa skill name do you want to explore with the users of country specific users. So it depends on yours, what type of name here you can use, and it depends on your idea and what type of Alexa skill you want to make. So doing all the things, you just need to only change it there. I have told you there, and everything just look like same. Okay, you also see here just like a DE, it's mean in German language, and for the German language I tell you other about it in my next videos. So please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for fastest notification of my new videos. Now after it all, you can save it, or you also just can make a test here, just like we have already tested, but you can also make a test just like that. And we just use a create new test, and after all we just use a start session. Just from here, start session, and you just need to just like that, yeah, start session. Okay, now naming your start session, and just like you just want to test for India, just like that. So you can press according to your, and you just need to change this one local. Okay, so this local one just like for India. Okay, now save it and create it. Okay, now it's created. Now here you can test that what type of result it's exactly produce. So now you can see that. Okay, because we not change anything here, that's why it's just leave, and it's even your data, what type of data you provide for that. Okay, so it's run perfectly, and you just need to change according to a country specific data. Okay, I have not changed here anything because I am just only a tutorial base. I am not making Alexa skill just like that. I am just only telling you how can you make an Alexa skill and easily without any coding requirement. After all, just you need to visiting your console. Okay, just need some most important thing is building is required. So building this, and after building the content, it's ready to go. Okay, now it built successful. Now you are ready for test. Now just we test for specific countries, just like we tested for UK's. So we type our invoker's name. Okay, and it's done perfectly. just
Welcome
like
to
you
British
also
Reindeer
can test
Trivia.
it for
I will ask you 5 questions.
other countries,
Try to
just
get as
like
many right as you can. Just say the
to
number of
also
the
just like
answer.
India.
Let's begin.
Okay,
Question 1. If all of Santa's
I
reindeer
just
had
want to
antlers
tell
while
you,
pulling his
so
Christmas...
I just say no. Okay, so it's
Okay,
okay.
we'll play another
And
time.
again
Goodbye.
test it. Okay, so you can start.
Welcome
So
to
it's
British
also
Reindeer
working for
Trivia.
India,
I will ask you 5
for
questions.
say for
Try to get as many right
every
as you can.
language you
Just say the
selected.
number
Okay,
of the
so just
answer.
like that you
Let's
can
begin.
make.
Question 1. In the 1964 classic Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer...
Okay, okay. So
Okay,
just like
we'll
that
play another time.
you can
Goodbye.
make an LSS skill for multiple languages and for the same language for multiple countries. Okay, just like that, or for making other languages just like German and Francis for Spanish. I just uh, make another video for it and where I tell you about it. So keep it watching and also see there for distribution. You need to, okay, you can see there. So you need to fulfill all the things here also, just like everything. Okay, for all reasons, just like you can see here, like that for AU, for other reasons, just like so. Okay, so then all the things you completed, then you are able to publish this Alexa skill. So okay, so it is depend on you what are the things, what are name and what are description you select. So now after all, I think this is finished, and for more languages I just tell you in my next videos. For that, keep watching and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for fast notification. Thank you, thanks for watching, bye.